Hello. Hi! Hello everyone! Hi, my name is Michelle and welcome to my channel. Now, if you like what you see, please join the journey down below. Today we are back with another Michelle Tries It. If you are new here, which I'm sure you are, Michelle Tries It is a series that we do here that I, Michelle, try things. It's real thought out. So today, we are going to try Halloween. Yes, you heard that correctly. We are trying Halloween. This is my second Halloween in this house. And I've done the normal, like go to the nursery to get pumpkins and decorate, but I was just itching to do more. So to feed that craving, I decided to do all things Halloween. Food, crafts, a photo shoot, you know, Halloween stuff. So let's get started. We're gonna start with crafts. Just a little disclaimer here, let's just not even acknowledge how dirty my workstation is, okay? All right, the first craft that we're going to do are pumpkin towers. We all go around to the stores every time the holidays come around, Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and we look at all the decor, but 9 times out of 10, whenever I do that, I'm looking at things that I can remake. Is there anything that I can do cheaper? I was browsing at Joann's and I saw these pumpkins, these painted pumpkins that I really liked. They were just too expensive for them to just be something that I could easily had made myself. So I headed to the Dollar Tree to see what I could get. They had these styrofoam pumpkins, which were perfect. I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, but when I got home and I saw everything, it all kind of just came together on its own. So for this particular craft, I used 3 styrofoam pumpkins, an X-Acto knife, paint brushes, paint, baking powder, and hot glue. I started by taking all the tops off of 2 out of the 3 pumpkins using the X-Acto knife. I just picked the worst 2 out of the bunch and took those off. I was actually surprised they were held on. They were really easy to take off and they were just held on by toothpicks. Once that was finished, I started by painting the pumpkins all over with white acrylic paint. This was just to get the pumpkins all one solid color, plus white is easier to cover than the black and the orange would have been. I used a hairdryer in between each pumpkin to keep the process moving along quickly. Stuff is obviously not necessary, but trust me, it's very helpful. It took me forever to pick out the colors I wanted for these pumpkins, but I ended up going with the blue-gray theme for these pumpkins. I painted each pumpkin its given color. I mixed baking powder with each paint color to make the paint thicker, which honestly covers the styrofoam really well. I 1000% recommend this. Again, I used a hairdryer in between each coat to make the drying process quicker. I also used another paintbrush to push through the bottom to hold the pumpkins rather than trying to use my hands. I did 2 coats per pumpkin and then painted the top pumpkins little stem brown. From here, I just stacked them to where I liked the way they looked and then hot glued them in place by adding the hot glue to the top of the pumpkins and then placing the other pumpkin on top of it. You are basically finished at this point, but I put together a bow with some ribbon I had laying around and I added that to the stem area. And there you go. You have some cute handmade home decor. And I actually really love the way these turned out. I made a few versions of these. I made an orange and white version. I made the blue and gray version that you guys saw. I made a tiny version for my bedroom that was like a pink and maroon color. I really thought these turned out cute. They're so easy to make, so cheap. To do the bows, you just go and look on YouTube and there's thousands of videos to tell you how to make different kinds of bows, to really complex bows to really easy bows. Yeah, I'm really happy with how these turned out. The next 2 crafts are super simple and easy. I got the idea from this guy from TikTok who was making Halloween decor for his wife. The Navage Patch, he is like a DIY master. I highly recommend that you go check out his TikTok channel. He has so many different easy like Dollar Tree DIYs. Highly recommend. So for the 2 that I'm doing, he made 2 ghosts. He made a rope ghost and then a mop ghost. So we're gonna start with the rope ghost. For this, we'll be using a thick foam board that I got from Michael's, some braided white rope, which I also got from Michael's, some felt and hot glue, and an X-Acto knife. I organized the rope in a rainbow-like shape on the foam board and then outlined that with pencil. I then cut that out using the X-Acto knife. You could easily use scissors as well. I just found that the X-Acto knife was easier. Once I was done cutting out my rainbow shape, I reorganized my rope back on the foam board and started to hot glue those strands of rope one by one to the foam board. It's okay if it doesn't reach the edge. You can go back and trim whatever was ever left over whenever you're finished. After you are finished gluing everything down, you want to begin to cut the ends and start to unbraid them. When I cut the ends, they were all uneven. But honestly, I'm not upset about the way it turned out. I used my Cricut to cut out the ghost eyes and mouth, but a few simple ovals would have sufficed as well. I think these turned out really, really cute. There's just a few things that I really would have changed. I would have bought the rope that the guy used in the video. He bought his from Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree didn't have it. We have multiple Dollar Trees in town, but I wasn't gonna go on like a wild goose chase for a set of rope. So I just saw it at Michael's. I got it there. It was definitely more expensive at Michael's. So if you do see it at the Dollar Tree, I definitely recommend you get it there. I would have also arranged my rope to be more narrow on the foam board. I think it would have made my rope more even on the bottom, but whatever. I still think it turned out cute. I also think this would be cute if you would like dip dye it and have it be like an ombre and not Halloween and take the face off and just have it be a cute like rainbow decor for a child's room or something like that. I just think it would be really cute. Either way, I still really love the way this turned out. It's a cheeky, fun home decor for Halloween. There's nothing I love more. So it's very easy to make and you could get your kids involved. Just be careful with the hot glue, obviously, but easy, easy, easy. So now for the next and final craft. Yay! So for this one, we're doing the mop ghost. We're gonna start off with a glass vase from the Dollar Tree, a mop head from the Dollar Tree, a witch hat. I took this one off of some other home decor that I bought from the Dollar Tree, hot glue, and then felt for the face again. This one is the simplest of them all to make. You simply just flip the mop upside down, hot glue it to the bottom of the vase. Then I just cut the witch's hat off of the other home decor. Once you acquire your witch's hat, you simply glue that to the top of the mop, ensuring to cover the plastic part of the mop, and then unwrap each strand of the mop, giving the ghost a little more body. Same as the previous ghost, I hot glued on eyes and a mouth to bring our little buddy to life. The final touch was adding the twinkle lights inside of it so he could glow. Spooky. Just kidding, but this one also turned out so cute. Everyone that's walked in my house can definitely look at it and says, "Is that a mop?" And I say, "Yeah, it is. It is a mop." It's cute, you know, it maybe not be the most aesthetically pleasing of them all, but it is fun, it's cute, it's cheeky, it's what we're here for. So now on to the food. I hosted my mom and my sister for a little get together and I wanted to add a little Halloween flair, so because 'tis the season. So what better way to do that than adding some fun festive foods. It's just the three of us, so I didn't want to do too much, although I may have. So for starters, let's start with something savory and then we'll end with the finale, which is the dessert. So we're going to make, say it with me, hot dog spiders. Hi, yes, I love a dog. So these are very simple to make. All you need is the hot dog, a crescent roll pop can thing, and black sesame seeds, that's it. And the black sesame seeds are optional. It's only if you have them. I wouldn't go out and buy them for this recipe, trust me. It's not necessary. The first step is to cut each end of the hot dog into 4 segments that will eventually become the legs of the spider. I bought the croissant sheet rather than the other ones, but either would work, honestly. I cut strips out of the croissant and wrapped it around the center of the hot dog. that has not been cut, making that the body. I added 2 black sesame seeds for the eyes. I saw some people add 2 ketchup dots after they came out of the oven for the eyes. I just happen to have the black sesame seeds here, like I said, so do whatever. From there, I just followed the instructions on the croissant pack. I cooked them a little longer though. I didn't think they were brown enough. These were so cute, super cheeky, fun, easy, savory food option that is tasty. So these were a big hit. They're, like I said, super easy, very kid friendly if you are having kids. And then of course we need a dessert, right? We always need a dessert. So my favorite 2 desserts are ice cream and cookies. And then whenever you pair the 2 together and you make an ice cream cookie sandwich, okay. That's like all-time favorite and no holds, can't touch it. The most delicious food to me ever. I also really love Disney and I'm frequently scrolling on different Disney Instagrams and YouTubes and whatever blogs, just reading about and absorbing as much Disney as I possibly can. Currently it's Halloween at Disney, much like it is everywhere. Duh. They always, during this time, they always offer special treats during their Not So Scary party. And whenever I was scrolling through their food options that they had this year, I noticed that they had a ice cream sandwich that looked very good and it's something that I could easily remake here at my house. So it's just a basic ice cream sammy, but the cookies are Halloween sprinkle themed. So when I saw it, I was like, yes, I can remake that. Yes, let's go. So luckily for me, I already had the Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix in my pantry. So I just made that, which I just followed the instructions on the back of that. And then I went to Michael's and grabbed some sprinkles from there. So I found the eyeball candy at a grocery store that's next door to Michael's. They didn't have them at Michael's, but I'm sure if you just go to your grocery store or somewhere, they're gonna have eyeballs somewhere in your town. I hope so, at least. There might not be, and I apologize if not, but online, Amazon probably has them too. So like I said, these are super easy to make. As you can see, there is a theme here. It is super easy and super cute. So anyways, I just followed the instructions on the cookie mix and put the dough into balls and then rolled the balls into the sprinkle mix. Once those were set on the parchment paper, I pressed the eyeballs into the dough. Those cooked for around 12 minutes at 350. I just followed the instructions on the cookie packet. Again, just follow that. That will tell you everything that you need to know. The cookies then cooled on the cooling rack once they were finished and then overnight in the fridge. The day I had my family over, I just added the vanilla ice cream in between the 2 sugar cookies and bam! We have ourselves a Disney Not So Scary inspired Halloween cookie ice cream sammy. And these turned out, you guessed it, cute! I just love these so much. There is a few things I would change about this. The first one would be I would make my own sugar cookie recipe just because I feel like the potential for the sandwich to be even better is there. I just didn't give it that because I took the easy way out. And I wouldn't use vanilla bean ice cream. And I know that you're gonna be like, well, what's the difference? There's a difference. There's a difference between vanilla bean and regular vanilla. Anyways, yum! It was so good. This is the very end. Time for the photo shoot. It's a funny photo shoot, guys. Don't worry, it's nothing serious. This was super simple. Again, fun and funny. All you need is a white sheet and a pair of sunglasses. My handicapped broken leg sister helped me. Thank you, Autumn. She helped me take pictures in my backyard of me as a ghost.
You know, you'll need to take that birdhouse in for the winter. There you go. Hilarious.
They turned out really funny and it was a fun activity that we all got a good laugh at. The pictures turned out really good. Here's a few. sister really enjoyed the Halloween festivities. I think they did. If you guys didn't, do not tell me. But either way, for me, it was very fun to set up and to do all the things and to prepare everything and do the crafts. Those things I love. All right, so this is the end. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. If not, whatever, I don't even care because you're not even here. Ah. Yeah, so please like, comment, subscribe. I don't know if I said that yet, but please like, comment, subscribe. If not, that's okay too. It doesn't matter. You'll never see me again. Bye!